Samsung is often criticized for failing to increase the charging speeds of its devices. While Chinese rivals offer charging speeds of up to 240 watts, Samsung remains at 45 watts. There have been rumors that the upcoming Galaxy S24 may see an increase to 65 watts. The Chinese versions of the Galaxy S24, S24 Plus, and S24 Ultra have just received Chinese certification, suggesting that disappointment may be in store once again. According to information obtained in their certification paperwork, Samsung does not seem to be increasing charging speeds for its flagship devices. The Galaxy S24 will support 25 watts of charging, similar to its predecessor, the Galaxy S23, while the S24 Plus and Ultra variants will handle up to 45 watts. The Galaxy S24 series is thus unlikely to charge any quicker than the S23 series. It has also been reported that the Galaxy S24 will have a battery capacity of 4,000 mAh, while the bigger S24 Plus model will feature a powerful 4,900 mAh cell. All three models are predicted to take around an hour to charge from 0 to 100%. The price of the Ultra model, which will continue to use a battery like its predecessors, is actually cheaper than that of mid-range and high-end Chinese handsets like as the OnePlus 11, which delivers 100 watts of power. The figures only tell half of the story. Samsung may also make changes like as improving the software to charge effectively and create heat, which means that the 45-watt version may charge quicker than the model using the same 45-watt charger. The supply chain for the Galaxy S24 model has not changed, according to a report from ET News in Korea. Samsung's partners want to begin mass manufacturing of S24 parts in November, implying that the Galaxy S24 series might be released as early as January 2024, so you won't have to wait too long. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So with that being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.